Hello there, it's Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. Today we are doing sneak peek day one of our upcoming birthday release. Trinity Stamps is celebrating 6 years in business and we are super excited about this release. We're going to jump right in today with a look at some of our brand new stamp sets. They are from our Love Dani collection. She is the designer of these images. They are very much word art. Words turned into cute images. So first up we have our 4x3 set that says, "Oh, yes you can." And we've got a sunshine around it. So this is just a one-piece stamp set. There is no coordinating die. You can easily trim around this with your paper cutter or a rectangle die, or stamp it right on your card and make it that like the focal point of your card. So there you can see it all colored up, and I do have a card sample that you can see this on, and I think that it's just a really fun and easy set. These images are great for making quick and easy cards, and then they're also so much fun to color, and we have several in this release. So let's take a look at the next that's called Happy Birthday to You, Sweet Friend, or HB to You. And here you can see the main image is Happy Birthday to a Sweet Friend, but then we also have several stamps in this image that you can use to configure some sprinkles or even have it look like confetti. And this stamp set right here was designed so that you could stamp it on the inside of our cupcake card. And you can see how nicely it fits inside there. And this is one of our favorite shape cards at Trinity Stamps. So much so, we have something special to go with it that I'll be sharing with you in one of our upcoming sneak peek videos, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Next we have Great Things Together. I love this set. I think this is one that you can use for so many different occasions. An anniversary, a friendship, just some people that maybe work together. So I think it's really fun, and this has a coordinating die set with it. So it's going to cut around the image and then also cut out the word great. So let's take a look at this stamped. You can see it on an A2 size panel here and colored, and then you can see how the die cuts around it, but also we have a die in there to cut out the word great. I love this that it's one piece, because then you can kind of offset it and have a little bit of a shadow behind it from the stamped word, but you could also use the word great by itself and combine it with other things that you have, right? Yeah, so here we have it on a card. I love you can use the die itself as a shadow layer behind this. And several of our Love Dani images in this release are going to come with dies. And the next one is called You Make a Difference. All of these are 4x3 sets, and there you can see the coordinating die. It's going to cut around the entire image, but also you have extra dies that are going to cut out hearts. Those hearts can be used by themselves, and they can also be layered over some of the hearts in the word art image, which is, by the way, hand drawn by Dany herself. I have met her, and she is the sweetest person I know. I love her. So her stamps to me are like something that you collect. I want to have them all. So here is this one colored up, and by the way, this one's very special to me because my husband actually colored this, and we were coloring together. So I love it. There it is die cut out, and there you can see all the little hearts die cut as well, and how you can paper piece over the top of the stamped one if you like. And then let's move on to another Love Dani set. You Are All Kinds of Wonderful. It does have a coordinating die that's going to bubble cut around it, and there's an extra die in the set also. It's going to cut out some sparkles and heart. So there's this image, again, a 4x3 set. It's one piece, and it is just really pretty with the different kinds of font that she uses. And there again is the die, and you can see the little die that's extra in this set is going to cut out some like sparkles for you. So let's take a look at this image stamped and colored, and then we're going to look at all the things that are in the die set. So you can die cut around that stamped image. You can also die cut out these extra little sparkles, and I did use those on my card. So you can see the sparkles are glued around the image, and they are like those little like diamond shine marks. I love that. And then I've used some new embellishments on this card that I cannot get enough of. I'll be sharing those with you as well in an upcoming sneak peek video. Okay, next we have Life is Tough, but so are you. I love this image. It's very encouraging. Most of Love Dani sentiments are meant to be encouraging and uplifting. Some are fun and make people want to smile, and I think this is one of those encouraging ones that also makes people smile. So there you can see it does have a coordinating 3-piece die set to die cut out the entire image. Die cuts out the word you and some hearts. And it says, life is tough, but so are you, all colored up. So fun. I thought this image would also be really good for somebody battling cancer. I think this would be a really good image for that. So there you can see I've die cut out the word you from some black glitter cardstock, and you can paper piece each letter over the top. But again, you could also use that word by itself. So I chose to make a shaker out of this one and filled it with some of our new embellishments. And I just love the sound that this makes and thought you would want to hear it too. So I kept that in, and I just love those little beads rolling around in there. So much fun. Cool. All right, so next we are moving on to a larger size stamp set. This is a 4x6 set and coordinating die set. So there are 4 stamped images and 4 dies as well. So we've got happy birthday to you, time to celebrate. I think it says it's time to celebrate. And then we'll take a look at those stamped and colored and die cut so you can really get a feel for this stamp set. I think this is one of my favorites because the pieces can be used as they are on a card panel just like this, or you could die cut them out and reconfigure them and use parts of it on one card and then another part on another card, or even on a tag. So let's die cut those out and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So see, you can see I've rearranged this, but you can use just the happy birthday. You could use the it's time to celebrate you without the happy birthday. You could also use to you on a tag. So a lot of fun things you can do with this set, and that scripty happy birthday, so gorgeous. Okay, another 4x6 set. This is the last in our line of the Love Dani images. So Stinkin' Thrilled is the name of this one, and all the word art is inside this giant balloon. It takes up an entire A2 size card front panel. You've got some confetti in here, also the word yay, and a little string to put at the bottom of your balloon. The die set is going to cut out the entire balloon. It will also cut out the word thrilled and all the other confetti pieces in this set, as well as the word yay. So this one is amazing. It's such a fun set. So here you can see it stamped. This is on a 5x7 piece of cardstock, just so you could see the size of that, and that is just stamped. It was embossed, and then we're also going to look at this where it's stamped in black and die cut out, so you can see all the fun looks you can get with this. And then we'll take a look at all at the extra die cut pieces, because I wanted to show you that yes, you can stamp those confetti pieces and die cut them out, but you can also use those die cut confetti pieces by themselves. And then you can see the word thrilled there. That will paper piece over the stamped word perfectly. So what a cool set. All right, we're going to move on to some standalone dies. These are so fun. Let me introduce to you our paper cut characters. This is like a paper doll set for paper crafters. It is so cool. You can see the doll there, and then we have different clothing items you can put on the doll and different hairstyles you can add, and even some sandals. Now, when you get this, make sure you flip your packaging over, because I find the back to be so super helpful to see things done up in color and then examples. It really gives me an idea of what I'm working with. So here you can see all the die cut pieces by the die that cuts them out, so you can really get a feel for what these look like. You can see there's a t-shirt, there's a kind of baseball style t-shirt, jeans and shorts, a dress, and there are 5 different hairstyles in the set. And then there's the basic doll there. So I like to just start building these paper dolls and adding the clothes and the arms and the hair and all that as I go. Some of them you might want to glue the legs and arms on right away, and some of them you might want to add the clothes first. So just really play with this just like you would paper dolls. But there's the three different dolls. You could do more than just these three that I made using this set. And you can see how those shorts go together and those sandals. So if you love that, you're going to love the Paper Cut Characters add-ons. This is the Pretty Party Princess add-on. So we've got a dress here, but what's really cool about this one is you have different arms. You have different shoes. There's socks and a sweater. And again, flip it over for some reminders and kind of some inspiration on how to put it together as well. All right, so now let's take a look at all the pieces. The sweater is 2 pieces because you can layer up one side, and you could do those 2 different colors if you wanted, but it gives you a little bit of dimension there. And then you can see the dress, you can add the puffed sleeves to it or the sweater. And then you've got socks that you can add with a little ruffle. The bow can be used with that straight piece as a belt or in the hair, and there's also a purse, and it has polka dots in it. I wanted to show you on this one, I didn't attach the legs to the body so I could make this girl a little bit taller, or you can scoot the legs up on the torso and make the paper doll a little bit shorter. So play with it and really customize them. Now, another add-on we have is the Bathing Suit Beauty. This one is so much fun, especially because we're right in the midst of summer here in the US, and so having this set that you can do a bathing suit is really fun, and it's got a couple variations. You can add a skirt to it, you can add a ruffle to it, and then you can put them in the little floaty blow-up duck toy. It's cute, and there's even a pair of sunglasses that are heart-shaped. It's so much fun. Let's see what these look like put together. So first of all, I wanted to point out that there is this 2-piece hair do in this one. So there are my 2 different bathing suit girls, different hairstyles. They're so much fun. Last but not least, we have our Boyish Charm add-on die set. You've got another arm in this one that's different. You've got some tennis shoes, 2 different hairstyles, a hat, some glasses, a bow tie, a present. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And I love on this one, you can have the shirt be open with the tank top underneath, or you can have it shut and have a bow tie. That's so cool. All right, so here you can see all the die cut pieces. We have different socks that are kind of like slouchy socks, and then you can do this one up for swimming as well with those shorts and tank top if you like. You can even dress it up with these kind of more dressy shorts and put a collar on that button-up shirt. So much fun. So there you can see what these look like. I use the glasses as glasses and as sunglasses on this one. And then he's got the beach hat. So here's all the paper dolls that I made. I had so much fun making these, and they're really easy to put together, so I love that too. Now remember, this release is coming out on June 20th. That's the day you can shop for these things, and we're also going to be having an Instagram and YouTube hop. But between now and then, stay tuned to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel for even more sneak peeks. I'll see you all then. Happy stamping! Bye!